I'm Dr. Streicher, author of Love, Sex, Again, and I talk a lot about having satisfying sex and about sexual health, but along with that is also having safe sex. And so many women who are out there and they're with a guy that quite frankly isn't willing to use a condom or can't use a condom because he might lose his erection. Well, guess what, women? You can take matters into your own hands. Yes, there is a female condom, and it actually works amazingly well, not only to prevent pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases, but there is a little bonus. Let me explain. When you use a female condom, all you do is you put the end of the ring in the vagina, and then the larger ring goes on the outside. And the purpose of this is when you have intercourse and the penis goes in the vagina, you're going to protect yourself against pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases, but this little ring here also rests up against the woman's clitoris, which means she gets bonus, a little stimulation while she's having intercourse in addition to being safe. And this is just another way that you can love sex again.